हेलो प्रकाश प्रकाश तेरी हैंड फ्री की यार हैंड फ्री देवी यार क्लास क्या हैंड फ्री दे हैंड फ्री दे एक मिनट दे हेलो यार हैंड फ्री देवी एक मिनट हेलो 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 हेलो
Assalamualikum. Can you hear me now? Hello. Can you hear me now?
हेलो
Yes, I can hear you.
yes how are you
Yes, Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. How are you today?
yes yes sir I am fine also
Okay, yeah. Where are you
First,
from?
first of all, I am very thankful to you for giving me your important time.
Thank you. It's no problem. Where are you from?
Sir, I am from Pakistan.
You're from Pakistan. Are you still a student or working job?
Now I am working in job.
Yeah, which company? Company name, please.
Sir, company name is One Network.
Your designation?
What? Yes, sir. My destination is technician as a technician on a networking.
Okay, that's fine. Are you completed bachelor degree?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have completed BS honor in computer science.
Computer science. University name, please.
Sir, this is University, my University of Agriculture, Faisalabad in Pakistan.
Okay. Hmm.
Kindly tell me where come from? Where do you from?
Yeah, please repeat again. You just hold on your microphone in your mouth. Front of
Yeah.
it's now
Sir,
clear.
I am asking you where is your country?
I am from
Where do you
Bangladesh.
belong?
I am from
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
So, what's your current status? Uh, Teaching your passion.
Yeah. At present, my first role, I am as a teacher, instructor in a scholarship project, ISDB IT scholarship project. On the other hand, I also working some remote job, like
Which
from
yes. Yeah.
from yeah, with Qatar, Dubai, and USA. I have some student from USA. Japan, and also Qatar.
Which tools you are working? Networking and other also.
And networking and also server side, server administration plus networking. Plus another device is known device is MikroTik router. I also support MikroTik router.
Okay, sir. Please guide to me about which I do.
Okay, yeah, you have completed the Bachelor of Science, Bachelor of Computer Science. You have any certification, vendor certification from Microsoft or Cisco?
Yes, sir. Previous 6 months, I did my courses in CCNA and cloud computing, um, which I stand two certification, and more than I also will be got.
This certification is course completion certificate or vendor certification certificate from Cisco.
No course. It's a course certification.
Oh, okay. So you completed the course of CCNA course. You already completed CCNA course.
No, sir. Only you can say just uh, this depend on because where I learned that was not a proper learning place, but only time pass. That's way. I not learn more and more there where I did my course. Have
Okay,
you understood what I asked to you?
okay. First of all, you need to yeah clear basic concept and need to complete course. Okay, from any instructor. It's better to learn Cisco from foreign instructor or English language. Okay.
Yes,
Uh,
yes.
if Also, Pakistan has also some tutorials you can see in YouTube. Some tutorials, some playlist, basic to advanced, whole playlist available in Pakistani instructor. You can follow them, or you can follow if you are good in English and can understand any explanation. You can also follow any instructor from English language.
Yes, sir.
First,
It's
you plan to First,
जी
you
जी.
plan to 3 months plan. Make 3 months plan for learning Cisco and follow any instructor YouTube channel. Okay. If possible, to go physical training if you have in your location has available. Where is your location in Pakistan? Which district you are living?
Sir, now I am living in Pakistan, Lahore city.
Lahore city. If you have available time, you can start physical training. It's good. Physical training.
Sir, physical training is very difficult for me because I am a job holder and I am also a married person. Online and learning, I want more and I will spend uh, time which is very important for me because time is so more than where I do physical learning because time is very short for a job holder and married person. Do you know
Oh,
better
yes, yes.
for me? Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Your idea is very good about online learning, like a YouTube or others, which you are saying.
Okay, yeah. So if you have not available time, you have just one option is online training. You can first of all you make 3 months plan to learning only for learning for CCNA materials. You follow one of trainer whose content playlist basic to advanced, all contents are available. If you got in YouTube all contents, you can follow them. If you need to buy any content on buy course, you can buy this course. Okay, sometimes all free contents are not available in YouTube. Okay,
Yes.
after 3 months completing training, you make a plan, 1 year's plan. Within 1 years, you can face the vendor exam, Cisco exam. Okay, that's make
Yes.
1 year plan. Because without certification, Cisco certification, companies are not allowed to you good salary. When you get vendor certification, or when you have some vendor certification certified, Cisco certified, company will offer to you a good salary.
Okay, sir, please also guide me which is better place for learning Cisco on a
Please,
online learning.
yeah, please repeat again.
Sir, I want to ask you which is the best place on a YouTube for learning Cisco.
Uh,
Didn't you understand which I
are
want to
you
ask
know?
you,
Are
sir?
you are you know? Are you know Hadis Khan? Are you know about Hadis Khan? Hadis
No,
Khan.
sir, I
I
don't know, sir.
just I'll show you now.
Yes, yes, sir. You don't have a YouTube channel?
I also have YouTube channel. Can you see? But my Cisco materials is not English. It's Bengali language. I think. Yeah. Can you?
Oh,
If you can
that
understand
I
good.
didn't understand. Yes, yes, which
Yes,
is
yes.
not.
I have some English materials in about Windows Server. I have English materials in Microtik router. I have English materials. Exchange Server. I have English materials, but I still didn't complete a Cisco in English material. So I suggest to you. Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes, I am seeing visiting.
You can say a YouTube channel Hadis Khan.
Sir, it's an English person,
No, it's Urdu.
Urdu. Sir, can you share me its a link
Yes,
on
yes.
my WhatsApp?
Yes, obviously, because Hadis Khan completed whole course, it's all about 49 videos, okay, and basic to
Yes.
advanced.
Okay.
So it will it will be benefited.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, first time you complete basic, first time you follow his YouTube channel and basic from videos 1 to last, 1 to 40.
Sir, also please guide to mention me which course first I should to learn.
Yes, first course is CCNA. First course you complete CCNA. After that, you make plan 3 months to complete this CCNA course. If you face any problem, you also contact with Mr. Hadis Khan. In YouTube channel, his email address, mobile numbers are available. Okay. After
Yes,
completing
sir.
this course, you make you save some money because vendor exam price is about 30 USD, 300 USD. Sorry, okay. So you take
Okay.
time to save money. After when you
Ji.
confident for face this exam, within one year you just complete your vessel, yeah, my yeah, Cisco exam. Okay. After that, gradually you need to learn Windows Server, MikroTik, and also next step Linux.
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 Sir,
First,
okay. Sir, inshallah, I will this join. I planned 3 months. First of all, my basic course, and inshallah, which I want to guidance and other. I will also content to you if you don't mind,
okay, okay, no problem, no problem.
because you are a very good person and you are guiding me. May Allah bless you and more and more.
Inshallah, no problem. You can knock me anytime. If I have some available time, I will contact you and I will call to you and reply back to you. Okay, no problem. Just I also send to you
जी जी.
sequence of your study sequence. Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes, I am seeing.
CCNA 3 months plan.
Yes, जी.
Follow Mr. Hadis Khan. Within 1 year, save some money for vendor exam. Okay. Uh, After that, you need to complete Windows Server, MikroTik. If in your environment have MikroTik router available, you need to complete MikroTik routing. Okay. If not available, no
Okay,
need to complete MikroTik. Okay.
okay, sir.
After that, you need to complete Linux.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And after that, if you have sometimes or your environment you need to study cloud computing. Cloud computing means Amazon Web Service or Microsoft Azure.
It's also available as your side also in cloud computing.
Okay, yeah, that's Azure. If you just see you in your environment, which demand is most. Okay, cloud computing,
And sir,
Amazon or Azure.
okay, sir, please guide me also about its a future online. It's have a online career about this content.
Yes, cloud computing. Yeah, next 10 to 20 years, cloud computing will make market about 60 to 70%.
Yes,
About 60 to 70%, they will get market. You just also need to study Azure cloud computing. Okay.
yes, good. Inshallah, which you guide me, inshallah, I will be, inshallah, expect do, inshallah.
Okay, inshallah. Thank you for contacting with me.
Jazakallah,
Hope
sir. Jazakallah.
Allah will give you good rewards. Jazakallah khair. Okay. Assalamualaikum.
Jazakallah. Walaikum salam, sir.